Why do Igbo people search for the dead during wake or burial? In Igbo culture, this is called ịchọ nwụrụ anwụ, searching for the spirit of the deceased. But it's not a physical search as in looking for a misplaced corpse. Rather, is a very symbolic and spiritual ritual. For example, where a married woman dies and is to be buried in her husband's home, her family may perform this ritual to welcome her spirit back home and reconnect her to her lineage. It's also believed that proper rites like this help the spirit to rest peacefully and not wander among the living. That is why family, friends, and kindred members come together to perform this tradition to make sure everything is done the right way. In Igbo culture, death is not the end. It's a journey, and every journey should be completed properly. Here is the Igbo Women Assembly members searching for the spirit of their departed sister, Adaeze Dorothy Okamibo.